Hi, Toby from Concrete Lab again. In this video, you're going to learn how to silicone a basic mould. What you're going to need is definitely a pair of these because you don't want to get silicone all over your hands. A set of silicone tools which are available from all good DIY stores. A silicone gun, complete with silicone. We use a sanitary sealant, but good quality silicone sealant will do fine. And definitely not least, is kitchen towel, because you're going to need something to mop up all the excess silicone that you're going to stick in the mould. So first things first, get your gloves on. Now, you'll notice with this silicone gun that I've left, I haven't cut the nozzle, it's nice and small, so that when you're feeding the silicone into the mould, you're not going to get big blobs and lots of excess. So nice and neatly, try and be confident, so you get a nice thin bead. Don't forget to go up into the corners. And that's it for the silicone. That side. Now with the silicone tools, I'm going to put a 4 and 3 mil round on most of the edges. So you've got a nice thin sort of, well, a pencil round, I suppose it's called. So you'll notice on the silicone tool, I don't know whether you can see that, there's a bevel. Always work on the bevel side. And it'll drag the silicone nicely out of the mould. And you get loads of excess like that. So make sure you clean the silicone tool off fairly often because you don't want to leave too much residue in the mould because it'll just be able to get out. So I generally go across the horizontal and then on the vertical as well. So you do it in 2 passes. I don't know whether you can see, but on the edge of the mould here, I'm left a bit of excess. So you just go in, just get that silicone tool right up, tight against the edge of the mould wall, and that should bring most of it out. Again, across the horizontal. Just another piece because I used all my. And then again on the vertical. With each pass, more and more comes out. Just make it neater and neater. It's worth getting as much out and making the mould as neat as possible at this stage, because with our mix, with our concrete mix, it's very liquid at first, so it will pick up all the details in your mould. And that's, by details, I mean blemishes. And obviously, any features you want to add in as well. Okay. Those 2 sides are done. I'm going to fast forward now and get the rest done, and then you can take a look. Okay, and that's it. All siliconed, all tooled out. We'll leave that to dry for a couple of hours now before we cast into it. Okay, thanks for watching.